If Monday.com is showing an error loading your board, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick and effective fixes you can try to get back into your board as fast as possible. These steps are simple, safe, and work for most common browser or connection issues that can cause Monday.com to stop loading properly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and productivity tips. Let's jump right in. First, try the simplest fix: refresh the page. Sometimes the board fails to load because of a temporary glitch, and a quick refresh is all it takes. If that does not help, sign out of Monday.com completely and then sign back in. This can reset your session and resolve account-related loading problems. Next, if the board is still not opening, clear your browser cache and cookies. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time, then select Cache and Cookies, clear them, and restart your browser afterward. This step helps remove stored data that may be conflicting with Monday.com. If you're still seeing the error, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and temporarily turn off ad blockers or any other extensions that might interfere with site loading. After that, refresh Monday.com and see if the board opens correctly. Another common cause is a VPN or proxy connection. If you are using one, turn it off and then refresh the page. Sometimes Monday.com has trouble loading through certain routed connections. If that still does not solve it, switch to a different network if possible. For example, try using mobile hotspot, another Wi-Fi connection, or a different internet source, then refresh the board again. In many cases, the issue is related to the current network rather than Monday.com itself. Once you've gone through these steps, your board should load normally again. The key is to work through them one by one, starting with the easiest fix first and moving toward the more likely causes. If this video helped you fix the Monday.com error loading board issue, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.